Okay, I'm wearing my headphones. Something's getting serious. You guys can't hear it, but game paused. I'm playing some. Can you see me? This is me. Wait, I can barely see a thing with these glasses on. Okay, so we're gonna be playing. We're playing Plants vs. Zombies. Wait, that's a. All of these are so good. I need to go with sunflower. Let's rock! Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. So I'm gonna put some sunflowers back here. That's my tacket. I'm gonna put a bunch of those there. A bunch of the pea shooters right there. And then I'm gonna put walnuts. That's my. Ugh! I hate that sound. It's so annoying and creepy. I like it. Okay, it's gonna get blown up unless he sees it and he jumps over it. The only reason they will get scared of it and will just hop right over it is if they A, do that, or B, they see him be placed down, then they're just gonna hop over it. I don't think they see it, but of course they don't see it, but oh man. Plants vs. Splash. Just gonna put one more potato mine right there. How much are the potato mines? They're 25. I need 50. I need one of those. I need a walnut. Recharging walnut. I need a walnut. There we go. Beautiful walnut. Beautiful, beautiful walnut. Most beautiful narwhal. Why am I saying narwhal? There's no narwhals. I'm gonna put explosives. Ooh, yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. So you're just gonna eat that so I can go on with my business? I'm gonna put a snow pea so he can pee on you with his icy balls. That's very obnoxious. That is very obnoxious. That is very annoying. That is the most annoying thing I've heard in my life. No, I hate the javelins. Javelins are so annoying. That's not even doing anything. Cherry bomb. Oh, that's stupid. I didn't know it did that. Yo, get wrecked. Bro, you're not dying. Hey, headshot. You broke the walnut. Like, we have only one attack at the very bottom. I feel like now all of them are going to, like, the very bottom. That's what I'm scared of. Like, all these guys do are, like, protect. That's all they do. Like, the sunflowers give you sun. So, of course, I need to use the dig. I need to remove you. Here we go. Oh, you're eating that. So annoying. I'm a squid. Okay. Go put a walnut right there. That is the most annoying sound I've heard in my whole life. They're eating the shells. I just noticed that. Oh, I absolutely hate you. I hate you. Oh my gosh. What if you like fill all of these up with like the icy ones or the double shot? That would be epic, bruh. Whoa. Tell me what you want. So these icings will kill these guys before they can get to the first walnut. This guy's going to have to go through 2 walnuts to get to this guy. And then we'll send the, you know what? Die. Final wave isn't... these glasses are very... Ay. There, I gotta get that guy. What the heck? He's like Elvis Presley. I can barely see a thing from this hat. This is the most annoying hat in the world. Why'd I even pick to wear it? It's so annoying. My glasses are falling down. This is so annoying. I've already done this for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. No. I'm dying. No. Right when that guy drops, I'm going to place that right there. Mr. Potato Man. Give me flower. Give me sun. Give me sun. That guy has like a huge advantage. He can literally just walk right through. Come on, give me the walnut. I need me walnut. My glasses keep on falling down. I'm on level 1 of 9 already. I have a whole nother wave. What? What, bro? What the what, bro? What the what, bro? So annoying. It's that one. It's like, I can't seem to get... Why do the walnuts take so long? You know what? Cherry bomb to the face! Oh, I just got 2 out of that. That was actually pretty good. My nose itches. No. Walnut. Beautiful walnut. Walnut. Oh, I tried to take the walnut out of the ground. They're feeding on the walnut. Look at that progress bar. I'm nowhere close to finishing. What? If that guy breaks that, I'm gonna put a mine right there. Ellie, you knocked over my mic. Sorry if that was like super loud. Ellie knocked over my mic. Ellie, quit licking my computer. No! No. Okay, no. Okay, that's gonna run all of them over. All of them over. This is annoying. This is really annoying. This is really annoying. Oh, we already used that? Oh, no, we haven't. This is very annoying. I'm placing that right there to get all 3 of those. I only got 2 of them because he's wearing a mask. Mine! He's gonna blow up and get destroyed. Like, this road's completely fine. Because it has an icer. Okay, that's gonna murder all 3 of those. Okay, it's gonna murder those 2. I'm running out of lawnmowers. No! There's like nothing in that row. There's nothing in that row. There is nothing in that row. Oh, that's bad. That's like really bad. A huge wave of zombies approaching! That's bad. How long is this video? Final wave. Yay. OMG. That is insane. That is insane. Sorry for the horrible lighting, by the way. Gonna place 2 walnuts in a row. I wish there were like some tactic for this. There's no gunners on that side. There's no gunners on this side. No! Oh, they saw me place it, didn't they? I need my cherry bomb. 25. 150! Cherry bomb! This one, because they're already eating it. I need more cherry bombs. I can't do the mine because they'll just have seen it. There we go. They're gonna feed on that while I get the that up. I don't think that guy saw. Wait, these are the only people left. The only two left. Oh, there's a gunner right there. Those are like the last two people. That's it. Those are the last two people. No. Come on, cherry bomb for the win. Cherry bomb for the win. Please. Oh, I just need 100 and one more drop. You are the one who made this win. What the heck? No. There. Ooh, he dropped a note. That took so long. Hello. We're about to launch an all-out attack on your house. Sincerely, the zombies. Really? Well, sorry, but I gotta go. That really was kinda scared. Please like, subscribe for more of Mr. Squid. And, of course, Plants vs. Zombies, limited edition. Oh, that really hurt my head. That, like, really hurt my head. Oh, my ears are hot. My ears are really hot. Okay, either way, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe if you're new, or subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and subscribe to Pancake World, and also go and get this game. It's so good. And Ethan Vlogs. Subscribe to the whole Pancake universe, and thank you so much for watching, and bye.